So here inlet area was given as 1 meter square, and exit area was given as A. Inlet Mach number was given as 1, and exit Mach number was given as 2. This is what we got after reading the question. They are asking A value, so substitute this formula, use this formula. A2 by A1 is equal to M1 by M2, 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 M2 square, 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 M1 square, and power you write carefully, gamma plus 1 by 2 gamma minus 1. Okay, and I told you if gamma is 1.4, then this entire value becomes 3. So write here 3 and substitute m is equal to 2 square, that it will be 4. In hurry burry, don't forget to square. M1 square will be 1, and if you multiply zero point 0.2 into 4, it will be 1.8 after adding 1, and this will be 1.2. Okay, so you can cancel this, it will be 3 by 2, then cube this, 1.5 you can cube, it will be 1.675, sorry, 1.6875. And because they have asked the answer till second decimal place, so 1.67 will be the right answer, sorry, 1.69 will be the right answer, because this 7 will increase this 8 by 9, so 1.69. And one more thing, in Haribari some people may use this formula, some students, because during the class one student asked this answer, sir why can't we use A1 V1 A2 V2. So this we use for incompressible flow, right? And here you can see our Mach number is given 1 more than 1, like that. So this is compressible flow.